and welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase connection issue. Coinbase connection issues occasionally arises for users using the application to buy and sell crypto. So if you want to fix the issue, simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. There might be cases when your Coinbase application might go through temporary network down or connection issue. So if your Coinbase application doesn't work or it is showing you the network error, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could try and follow. The first thing to do is to simply restart your mobile device, and once you are done, open up your Coinbase app and see if that fixes the issue. If it doesn't work, the next step is to check for Coinbase app updates. Simply go and tap Open App Store and in the search bar, search for Coinbase. If there is an update available for your Coinbase app, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next or right beneath the app. Give it a tap in order to update to the latest version of Coinbase app, and once you update the application, you might be able to fix your network connection issue on Coinbase. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching between mobile network, or if you're using a mobile data, try turning off a Wi-Fi. Once you have a stable internet connection, your network issue might be fixed. If that doesn't help, try clearing out your device's cache. Tap Open Settings from your iPhone, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone Storage from the options and search for Coinbase from the list of the apps that are installed on your mobile device. Give it a tap and tap on Offload App option. Tap on Offload App one more time, and once you do that, you'll be able to see a Reinstall App button. Tap on Reinstall App to reinstall the application and get it back on your iPhone. Once you've done that, you might be able to solve your connection error on Coinbase. If that doesn't help, try updating your device's operating system. Tap Open Settings again, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on the Software Update button from the General tab and check for available updates for your system. If there is an update available, tap on Download and Install. Once you've done that, you might be able to fix your issue. If nothing else works out, simply delete and reinstall the Coinbase application and check to see if that fixes the issue by relaunching the application. Those were some of the easiest fixes when you are going through Coinbase connection issue on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.